So, right guys, good morning. Maluto pa tayo ng ginisang ampalaya with fresh egg and salted egg. Right, so let's do this. Cooking oil. Bawang. Alright. Maraming sibuyas bombay. Yes. Maraming kamatis. Wow. Alright, lagyan na po natin yung ampalaya natin. Siyempre, lalagyan natin yung pampalasa. Bang! Guys, lagyan na po natin yung salted egg natin. Ito na naman guys. Alright. Ano lang yun? Ito po yung balat ng salted egg natin. Isa lang po yan. Okay, mikos-mikos natin. Yes. Alright. Konting asin guys. Konting soy sauce. Wow, bango. Sabi ko guys. Ginasang ampalaya with fresh egg and salted egg. Well guys, takpan na muna natin. Dali lang. 2 itlog. Yes, dagdag po natin yung fresh beaten eggs natin. Yes, yan naman guys. Napakasarap yan. Wow. Oh guys, napakasarap guys. Dagdag pa tayo ng silis. Alright. Hello guys, solve na to guys. Alright. Yes, gos na po to. Tingnan nyo naman guys, napakasarap yan guys. Ginisang ampalaya with salted egg and fresh egg. Alright. Solve ko na naman. Yeah, alright. Subusuan nyo na yan. Thank you. Mwah mwah.